Greetings, people. Another day in the life of a Jamaican. Today, we're going to be talking about eSports. This is something that the younger population would know quite a bit about, and I think this is the future, and as such, let's talk about it a little bit. So, for those who don't know, eSport is competitive human versus human digital gameplay. Is an extremely competitive arena where players use information and communication technologies to facilitate a test of extreme skill in a variety of gaming genres. So, if you've heard of Call of Duty, Mortal Kombat, Fortnite, etc., those are video games. Esport is the sporting event, as they now call it, when you compete human versus human instead of playing a campaign game where you're competing against computer software. So over the years, there has been much debate about whether one would classify esport as a sport or is it just video gaming. For now, the most popular esport games do not demand a lot of physical exertion, but in every other aspect it satisfies the definition of sport. And the definition of sport that we adopt here in the Caribbean includes physical activity. With the evolving technologies and increased access to the internet, the growth of esport is exponential. The opportunities to compete, learn and earn also grows with the discipline, and Jamaica is not ignoring the movement. So we have an official body, the Jamaica eSport Initiative, that governs eSport in Jamaica. The Sporting Association has been educating Jamaica and hosting tournaments for eSport games, and on Thursday, February 27, 2020, the UA Faculty of Sport recognized the Jamaica eSport Initiative, and they hosted a seminar where the president of JEI, Mr. Gregory Moore, and the vice president, Mr. Andrew Johnson, provided insights regarding esport and the potential for intercollegiate games. And it was as a result of this seminar that the UAE Sport Club was established. And later today, we'll be hosting our first Fortnite tournament. It should be about 8 p.m. tonight, and there will be a stream link on its by Twitch or YouTube available. So you can hit me up if you want that, so you can watch and enjoy. Given the recent turn of events, the world of sport, of course because of COVID-19 and the stay-at-home policy, encouraged a lot of innovation in the sporting arena. You may be aware of the cycling champion who participated in one of the first esport competition, where they connected their bicycles to computer software and they were able to create a competition where persons can compete from anywhere in the world. And of course, in this case, the physical activity that is required to define sport is satisfied, and it is done where humans are competing against other humans via information and communication technologies, satisfying the classification of esport. So there you go, esport does have the versatility to qualify its inclusion in the world of sport. Earlier this year, the Boys and Girls Championship was cancelled. The Olympics postponed to next year. Football, NBA, and even Carnival has been postponed. But esport games, which presents the variety and the endless source of entertainment that would make staying home a pleasure, does continue. Esport games include, but is not limited to, strategic games such as chess, battle royale games such as Fortnite, fighters such as Mortal Kombat and Super Smash Bros., or the digital versions of traditional sport games such as FIFA or basketball. The list of esport genres is extensive. Getting involved in gaming is very easy and can be done using a computer, a gaming console, or even a mobile phone. One does not have to be a competitive gamer, but may choose to play recreationally, for stress relief, and for entertainment. Many esport enthusiasts don't even play, as there is incredible entertainment value simply watching skilled gamers play. And much like watching a football match or the Olympic Games, the esport competitions are extremely entertaining. In fact, esport events are joining the Olympic Games alongside traditional games. Friday, April 3, 2020, NBA players faced off in NBA 2K20, and that is the digital version of basketball in this tournament, which was featured on ESPN and ESPN2. So already we're making strides in the media promoting esport games. To catch our own national players in action, streams are available for free at Twitch TV/official_JEI, that's the Jamaica Esports Initiative. And while all other major sporting events are cancelled, JEI continues to host weekly events to keep gamers engaged. The benefit of esport is that it is immune to the challenge of traditional sporting events, such as global warming, pandemics, age, and issues relating to gender. As the restriction on social activities and movement across the world continues, esport will continue to soar, and it's an excellent tool as we used to be used to push for social distancing. If you don't know what, or if you didn't know what esport was, now we have an idea, and I encourage you to give it a try. There's a genre for everybody, and it is extremely entertaining. Thanks for listening.